What up? Today we're working on a 2016 Chevy Silverado with a bad fuel pump. So the way to tell you have a bad fuel pump, easy way is
intake.
do what?
Start it. Huh?
Do what?
Spray brake cleaner in the intake. Start it. See if it runs.
Now you might need to do that with two people because if you're sitting outside and it's hot, you spray the brake cleaner and it's gonna evaporate. So get a friend, your dog, your grandpa, grandma, somebody to help you to start the car while you spray some brake cleaner in there. And if it starts, then there you go. Don't forget to subscribe.